Patients of Dr. Eugene Gosy in desperate need of their medication have been given some advice from the county health officials in the wake of his indictment.
What we're recommending is for people to go back to their primary care provider who referred them to Dr. Gosy initially and ask for help.
Problem is, some of their primary doctors are saying no way. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Jill Perkins is working on this story tonight.
Nobody can get help, nobody can get answers, nobody can get any resolution. All we're doing is being turned around in circles.
This is one of Dr. Eugene Gosy's thousands of patients. He asked we conceal his identity.
And now that they painted this so broadly with this brush that we're all drug addicts, we have to be embarrassed and ashamed.
This John Doe says he's been a patient of Dr. Gosy's pain management practice for about 5 years to treat chronic pain, a result, he says, of a serious spinal injury. But following Gosy's indictment, patients just like this man say they have nowhere to turn to get their medication and are being turned away from their primary care physicians who referred them to Dr. Gosy in the first place.
They'll come right out and ask you, "You a patient of Dr. Gosy's?" "Yes, I was." "Sorry, we cannot help you. We will not help you."
Worried not only for the short-term withdrawal, but long-term pain management, he went to the emergency room at ECMC. In these recordings, he says the physician's assistant addresses Dr. Gosy's scandal.
That's exactly why no one else is doing that. There's nothing I can do. Dr. Gosy's patients come in here and not one person has gotten the medicine.
His case, he feels, not taken seriously.
He's here for a medication refill. There's people having heart attacks here.
In Erie County yesterday, an emergency meeting. Health officials discussed the Gosy situation, asking primary care doctors to help patients as they get this crisis under control. And last week, when the Gosy indictment was handed down,
Might be a good opportunity just to get off those meds completely and to go into drug treatment.
The stigma that they're putting on Dr. Gosy's, they're not even taking the time to listen to us to see if we have real medical conditions. They're assuming, because of what they read or seen on the news, that he's guilty, so we're guilty as patients.
now the man we spoke with tonight says he is most concerned about managing his long-term pain, this chronic pain that he says he has. Meantime, Dr. Gosy's office isn't set to reopen until May 16th. Jill Perkins, 7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Jill. As part of an emergency action plan, Erie County health officials said yesterday that patients of Dr. Gosy can seek treatment through any federally qualified healthcare center if they are having problems with their own primary care physician. The Jericho Road County Health Center is one of them. Dr. Myron Glick says his physicians are doing their part, bridging prescriptions for patients they originally referred to Dr. Gosy, but adds they are not prepared to handle a massive influx of his patients.
Those patients who are our patients who were seeing Dr. Gosy, we've reached out to them and said we can at least temporarily cover your pain meds until we figure out what next to do.
We have left messages with 2 other clinics in Buffalo, the Community Health Center and the Neighborhood Health Center, to find out where they stand. So far, we have not heard back.